Hey, thanks for visit my channel. If your controller is not working in Gothic 1 Remake, if the game is not detecting your gamepad, or if your controller buttons are not responding properly, then follow all these methods one by one until the issue is fixed. Your character won't move. Buttons not responding. Game only detects keyboard and mouse. Or the controller works in Steam but not in the game. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you every working solution to fix controller or gamepad issues in Resident Evil Requiem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Make sure you watch till the end, because the final fix solves the issue for most players. Let's fix it. 1. Verify controller connections. Whether you are using Steam or Game Pass, let's get started. Before making changes, ensure that your controller is properly connected. If you're using a wired controller, try a different USB port. If you're using a Bluetooth controller, go to Windows Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices. Check if your controller shows up. Make sure your controller appears in the Connected Devices list. If the controller is connected but unresponsive, simply restart your PC and reconnect the controller. Now let's move to the next step. 2. Configure controller settings in Steam. If you're playing the game on Steam, make sure your controller settings are correctly applied. Open Steam. Go to the View option and select Big Picture Mode. Navigate to Settings, Controller Settings. Here, enable the appropriate configuration for your controller. For Xbox controllers, turn on Xbox Configuration Support. For PlayStation controllers, enable PlayStation Configuration Support. For Switch Pro controllers, enable Steam Input for Switch Pro controllers. If Steam asks for additional Xbox extended features, install them, then restart Steam. Now save the settings and restart Steam to apply changes. 3. Disable Steam Input for the game. Some games have issues with Steam Input overriding native controller support. To fix this, open your Steam library. Right-click the game. Select Properties. Go to the Controller tab. Under Override for the game, choose Disable Steam Input. This allows the game to use its own native controller support instead of Steam's. 4. Adjust controller bindings in Steam. If your controller buttons are mapped incorrectly or unresponsive, you may need to adjust the bindings. Open Steam and go to your library. Select the game. Click Manage Controller Layout. Here, you can remap your gamepad buttons or load community layouts that may already be optimized for the game. This is especially useful if you're using a DualShock or DualSense controller. 5. Restart Steam and relaunch the game. Sometimes a quick restart resolves controller issues. Close Steam completely. Unplug the controller and plug it back in. Restart Steam and then launch the game, making sure your controller is connected before starting the game. 6. Check Windows Gamepad settings. If your controller still doesn't work, check the Windows Gamepad settings. Open Windows Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices. Look for your controller under the Connected Devices list. If it's missing, try pairing again using Bluetooth or connect it via USB. This ensures Windows itself recognizes the device before the game can use it. 7. Update and optimize drivers the right way. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest Game Ready or Adrenaline driver, not the one from Windows Update. After installing, open your GPU control panel and make these changes. NVIDIA, set Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance. AMD, enable Radeon Chill only if you have overheating issues, otherwise keep it off. Intel Arc, turn on threaded optimization and set scaling to performance. This ensures your GPU isn't throttling in the middle of combat. Reinstall controller drivers. If the issue persists, reinstall your controller drivers. Right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. Find your controller, right-click, choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC and Windows will automatically reinstall the drivers. Select DLS, check for Windows updates. Outdated system files can cause controller detection issues. Open Windows Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates, install everything available, and restart your PC. 10. Try third-party controller software. If Steam and Windows settings don't fix the problem, try third-party controller software. For PlayStation controllers, use DS4 Windows. For remapping issues, try reWASD or similar tools to map buttons manually. This often resolves compatibility problems when the game doesn't detect your controller properly. 11. Restart your PC afterwards. 5. Allow an app through firewall. Find Battlefield 6 and your game launcher, EA app or Steam. Check both private and public boxes. 6. Disable VPNs, proxies, and overlays. A servers sometimes block VPN IP ranges. In Windows settings, network and internet proxy, make sure it's off. Also disable overlays from Discord, NVIDIA, or Xbox Game Bar while troubleshooting. 7. 12. Dex Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft. Also Distributables, 2013 to 2022. If already installed, choose Repair. Restart your PC after installing. 10. Clean GPU driver install. Outdated or buggy GPU drivers are a common root cause. Go to NVIDIA or AMD's official website. Download the latest driver for your GPU. Choose custom installation and enable clean install. 13. Descaler. With this, you're basically rendering fewer pixels, but getting an almost native look, which translates to higher FPS and less stutter. Step 7. 14. Registry cleanup. If you've swapped controllers multiple times, old mappings may linger in the registry. Press Windows+R, type regedit, and hit enter. Navigate to HKY_current_user /system/current control set /control /media properties /private properties /joystick. Delete old controller entries you don't use anymore. Then restart your PC. In game settings that matter. Inside the game, go to Options. Open Controls. Reset controller settings to default. Confirm controller type is detected correctly. Save and restart the game. Fully restart controller services in Windows. First, disconnect your controller completely from your PC. Unplug the USB cable or turn off Bluetooth. Now right-click on the Start menu. Click Run. Type services.msc. Press Enter. Scroll down and locate Human Interface Device Service, Xbox Accessory Management Service, Windows Management Instrumentation. Double-click each one. Set startup type to automatic. Click Apply. Click Restart for each service. Now restart your PC. After the restart, connect your controller again. This refreshes Windows controller drivers and fixes detection failure. One of these methods will fix your controller issue. Go step by step. Do not skip. Restart the game after each change. If this guide helped you, leave a comment telling which fix worked for you. That helps other players. And if you want more real PC fixes for new games, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.